As you probably know, Tunelark is free for school music teachers. We're really excited to be able to make this resource free for schools, and we're creating this series of tutorials to show you everything you need to know about getting started and using Tunelark with your students. So to get started, go to tunelark.com and make sure you navigate up here to the schools page. So this is the home page, but make sure you click on the schools page, and then just click claim your free account, and it will scroll you down to the bottom where you can enter in your name and your school email address, job title, link to school website, school location, and create a password. Then click claim your free account. And that's really it as far as creating an account for free. This is going to set you up with a teacher account. One quick note, just make sure that you do this first, and then you're going to be able to create a classroom and invite students to it. Don't just ask students to go to the website and sign up. You need to create your account first, create a classroom, and then invite them to join that classroom. And that's it. See you in the next video.